Okay, real quick, I'm going to transfer my Flip Neon Wolf keyboard images onto my ZTE phone. Okay, so I'm going to plug my phone up, and this is via USB cord. Okay, so I got my phone plugged up, and I want to put it on my SD card. Okay, scroll to the bottom. I'm going to grab this folder, and once it's copied, put it there, and it should copy onto my ZTE phone. Okay, so my images are on my phone. They're right there. So the next part of this video is going to be on my phone. I'm going to be recording my phone screen using AppyGEN, it's the screen recorder, and I'm going to show you how to add the Prisma filter onto your Flip images. Okay, so I'll see you in the rest of the video. Christopher Wilson here, the Mobile App Mogul, and we're going to continue our AppyGEN training on putting Prisma filters on our images. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, I'm on Prisma now, and if you don't have Prisma on your phone, you can go to the Google Play Store and download it. It's free. Just go to the search and type in Prisma, Prisma, and that app should come up. And I'll put a link in the description box where you can download it from your computer. Okay, now those are our wolf images right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and tap one. Tap the first one, and your filters are at the bottom here. Okay, so and these filters are a lot more, I guess I could say, effect friendly, if I could say that. So that's why I like Prisma, and plus you can quickly put a filter on your images, and yeah, that's why I like it. So I'm going to start with that first one there. Okay, and the way you adjust the filter is you move your finger from left to right. Okay, to the left, decrease, and okay, it is taking effect. Yeah, I can see it. Okay, so with this image, I'm going to use that one. We're going to go 100% on that one. Okay, so what you do then, once you got the setting, push the download, and it's going to say artwork saved to Prisma folder. Okay, so let's go back. Hello? Okay, sorry about the interruption there. Okay, so okay, I don't know what happened there. I think it produced two images, but anyway, let's go to the next one. This is that one right there. Okay, and the filter I like to use, once again, is the Dallas filter, but you have different filters here. Let's try the mosaic. Let's see what that looks like. Okay. Okay. Alrighty, it's taking a long time there. Usually didn't take that long. Okay, that's mosaic. So let's go ahead and adjust the filter. Let's put it about right like that. Okay. Can download it. Okay. And I'm going to download the rest of these and continue the training. Okay, we're finishing up here. This is the last two images now. That one I don't like too much, so what I can do is, if you don't like the filter, you can always change filters. Let's go back to Dallas. Okay, and leave it like that. Download, and let's go back, and one more. Okay, and let's go to Gothic. Okay, but there are lots of, yeah, okay, that one looks good. Okay, keep that at about 50%. All right, down Okay. Now, my next step is to go to my Prisma folder, because I already have the filters on those images, and I'm going to transfer my Prisma folder to back to my computer. And so once I do that, my images with the flip and Prisma filters will be back onto my computer, and we're going to put them in our app. So with that, I'm going to see you in the next training or the next video. Well, let's see. Actually, let me just show you the Prisma folder so you know how to access it. Let's see. Let's go back. Go to, not images, but let's go to folders. Go to phone. And just to show you where the Prisma folder will be, it'll be in your pictures, actually, I believe. Yeah, right here. The top where it says Prisma. Okay, there they go. All right. So I'm going to transfer those images to our computer. Okay, and now we're back. Now, we just seen the video that I made from my phone where I applied the Prisma filters onto my flip images for the Neon Wolf keyboard. Now we're going to transfer those Prisma images back to our computer. Okay, so I'm going to go to, they're on my phone. This is my phone, and I have my phone connected to my computer via USB. Okay, so I'm going to go to the Pictures folder, and here are my Prisma images, the ones I just did. So I can do this one of two ways. I can just copy the whole folder and put it over here. But since I already made a Prisma flip folder, 2 filters, I'm just going to go ahead and get the images out of the Prisma folder, like that. I'm going to copy them, and I'm going to just place them inside my Prisma flip folder. Paste. Should be my, yep, that was my image. Now for some reason it copied some of these, well most of these twice. Okay, don't understand that, but I actually copied them all twice. But the filters are applied 2 times. Okay, yeah, okay. But anyway, I'll just delete the one out of each. Yeah, I just delete the one. Okay. But let's take a look at the difference in our images. Now, the original images, let's go like this. That wide like that. And let's make this one wide. Okay. Now, these are the original images right here. Okay. As you can see, this is how to make these bigger. Okay, make these bigger. Okay. There's the wolf right there. And you see he's flipped and he has an image on it. Gothic image. Okay, that's Prisma naming the image. Okay, Gothic. Okay. Here's the blue and the fire or orange. The original image. And this is the one from Prisma. What's the, okay, I guess that's the original image. Well, no. Actually, processed it twice for some reason. I don't know. But those look different anyway. But anyway, that's the difference. Okay. The blue's on the left, and on these images, the blue's on the right. So that's changing the image. Plus, it has a filter on it, so that that makes it even more not indistinguishable, but it makes it different. Okay. So that's what you want to do, just to stay ahead of those image searching bots that Google Play uses and people use to find the images. Now, I did say I was going to show you the extra ninja trick, extra ninja. But anyway, I am going to show you that. Now, you got your flip image and you got your Prisma filter on it. But let's take it another step further. Now, sometimes those bots that search for images, they go by what's on the what's inside the image, the properties. Say, for example, let's look at this one. Okay, you got properties that's detailing so many things that I don't know. Okay, I'm not a computer, expert, but it has your computer information in there, on there, and everything. And it also has, the size of the image, and it probably has where it comes from. Okay, somewhere in there. Okay, date created and so forth. All that information. Well, and some of that information may be used to actually track that image to see whether it has a copyright on it or not. So, the third ninja trick to do to get around that is just to take a screenshot of that image. Say, for example, this one. Okay, let's move this over. Now let's take a screenshot. Use our snippet tool. Snip tool. Yeah, this thing. Okay, snipping tool. Let me put this on my taskbar while I'm thinking about it. Okay, use our snipping tool, and we're just gonna take a snip of this image. I'm gonna click new and take a snip of it. That's changing it around on everything. It's taking everything out of it. It's taking the properties out of it. So that's the image that's basically created by you. Okay. Save it, and you can name it third filter or whatever you want to name it. Okay. But that's kind of like some double insurance, if I can say that word. Double insurance on making sure you know that it can't be tracked from where you downloaded the image from. Okay. So with that being, I want to show you one more ninja thing real quick, and I just discovered this. Very important. I'm glad you stayed along for this video, because this is good right here. This is good stuff right here. Now I noticed I seen Neon Wolf, okay, and I decided to make a keyboard app. But I seen the Neon Wolf app, and I'm like, well, let me see if I can just find something that puts neon effect on image. So I just Google searched this neon image effect editor, and I came up with these. Okay, these editors that have put a neon effect onto your pictures. Okay, now the one here is actually the one that we use, or that I use, funny.pho.to. Okay, and guess what? It shows a neon editor. Okay, neon. Okay, get the computer images from the computer, just like I showed you, earlier. But anyway, what if you could do this? Find just like regular wolf images and put the neon filter on it, or any kind of filter. Okay, what about that? You can make your own. You're literally making your own content. Okay, so neon wolf. Find some wolf images from the various sites that I've suggested, and from AppyGEN, and then put a filter on it. Wow. Now, also, I was looking at some more apps. I'm looking at you got Neon Rasta, but what about Laser? Okay, and what about, let's see some other editors. Rainbow. Let's try that. Let's try that real quick. Okay. Let's see, Rainbow image editor, image effect editor. Let's see what we get. Adding rainbow filter. Look at that. Okay, look at that. That's our site that we use right now. Okay, right? Rainbow effect. Okay, wow. So you can go through Google Play and look at these, different images, graffiti, okay? neon, of course, pink, you know, and just type in effect editor, or just search. Well, I don't know if you can search on the one we use, but anyway, just another way to you know, get your own content and make the content your own. Okay, rainbow, just like what did we say that at? Rainbow something. It was a rainbow something, but you can make your own rainbow drip lips. Okay, picture of lips, put a rainbow, put the rainbow effect on it. Okay, so with that being said, we're going to get into the next part of our training, our course, and this is the fun part. We're going to start building our app and adding content to our keyboard theme app, adding content, and possibly maybe making an icon, but we'll see. But anyway, we're going to go on to the next training in the AppyGEN training course, how to make apps make you money every single day, our keyboard theme. Talk to you soon.